Alright, so let's go ahead and review circles. First off, a circle has a center point, and then a radius r. The standard form is x squared plus y squared equals r squared. So for number 1, in order to find the radius, you just basically have to set r squared equal to 64 and take the square root of both sides so that r is equal to 8. So again, take the square root and r equals 8. For number 2, you first have to get the coefficients to 1, so you have to divide everything by 5. So when you do that, that'll make your equation x squared plus y squared equals 25. So that means your radius squared is equal to 25, so you have to take the square root of that so that your radius is equal to 5. Last one, you want to do the same thing. Divide everything by 6, so therefore you have x squared plus y squared equals 6. Your radius is equal to the square root of that number, so your radius is equal to the square root of 6. Alright, for the graphing problems, you first want to find the radius, which is basically what we just talked about, the square root of 49. So your radius is equal to 7. Therefore, you know your center is at 0, and you count 7 to the right, left, top, and bottom. Alright, and then 7 down, and then you're just going to sketch your circle. Probably a better way to do this is to use a compass, but we're just going to go ahead and freehand it for now and sketch your circle around. Alright, this one again, you have to do like you did with 2 and 3, which is first divide everything by 8. And then after you divide everything by 8, you're going to be left with x squared plus y squared equals 200 over 8. And when you divide that, you're going to 200 over 8. 200 divided by 8 is going to be 25. And therefore your radius is the square root of 25, which is 5. So you're going to plot your center. And then you're going to go 5 up, 5 over, on all sides, and then you're going to sketch your circle. Okay. And then for the last question, if 3, 4 lies on the circle, you want to find the radius. So therefore, you're basically finding the distance between 0 and 3, 4. And so to do that, you have to use the distance formula. So you're going to find the distance is equal to the square root of 4. Sorry, the x's first. Doesn't matter if you do x's or y's first. 3 minus 0 squared plus 4 minus 0 squared. And therefore then your distance is equal to the square root of 9 plus 16, which is 25, and the square root of 25 is 5. So you know that the radius is 5. So if the radius is 5, the standard form of the equation is x squared plus y squared equals your radius squared. Or you can simplify that to x squared plus y squared equals 25. Okay, look at the next video for parabolas.